Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So a lot of you have been asking me, especially the freshers, who are going to join the company soon or waiting for the offer letter. So they keep asking me, ki, what is the dress code policy in the company and what all you are allowed to wear and not allowed to wear in the company. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly about those, and I'm sure that this is going to be helpful for you all. And you all will also be knowing ki, what should I wear and what should I not. So in this respect, I feel that the company is, very chilled compared to the other major IT companies. I'm not sure what the dress code policy is there in other companies, but in this company, in Capgemini, there is no dress code policy as such that you have to wear formals these days and you have to wear formals for all days or this many days. You can wear business casuals daily. So yeah, the dress code is basically you have to wear or you can wear business casuals. So there is no policy that you have to wear formal t-shirts, formal shirts or formal shoes, pants every day and come to office. No. So the company is very chilled about this policy from at least from this perspective. So yeah, so you can wear business casuals. That means you can wear t-shirts, you can wear any shirts or anything. Not off. I don't mean formal shirts, as in those office wear shirts, but yeah, normal casual shirts, t-shirts. I have seen people coming, with those round neck tees in office. I mean, that is not a business casual, but still I've seen people who come in round neck tees also. So well, that is your choice. But yeah, I've seen people coming in slippers, coming in, obviously I don't support you coming to office in slippers. You should at least wear sneakers or closed shoes, at least for men, for boys. But yeah, people do come, and also obviously for special days you can wear formal shoes, formal pants, blah blah, whatever. But yeah, there is no dress code policy as such. So you can call this that the company is telling you all to take it lightly, dress code lightly. There is no dress code, but yes, it is always good to wear, casual. Not, I mean, sorry, it is always good to wear formals, at least t-shirts and all. So that is totally up to you. There is no dress code policy as such, and you are free to wear whatever you want any day, any way. So yeah, obviously you do not come to office in half pants and all. No, that is not allowed at all. That is not been part of casuals. That is casuals. Sorry, that is not a part of business casuals. So yeah, wear full length trousers, chinos, jeans, whatever you like. But yeah, dress decently. Not Yeah, I hope you're understanding what I mean to say. So yeah, that is how you should dress up. So that is basically the dress code policy, and I hope that this piece of information has been helpful to you. So if you're coming to Capgemini office, definitely do meet up with me, and yeah, keep following me, subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.